dey watch una.
Una don hear latest gist. Minister Umahi and Rufai Oseni nearly turned Arise TV to WWE ring. Rufai asked simple question: Honorable Minister, how much the cost per kilometer for this coastal highway? Na so Umahi begin vex, dey shout, no ask me that one o. Next thing you hear, them say 1 trillion naira na for 47 kilometers. Do am like 2 lane na 7.5 billion naira per kilometer. Na road dem dey build, abi na airport runway dem dey arrange. Governor Makinde sef say, Oga Minister, show us breakdown. Umahi reply am sharp, say you no fit understand engineer mathematics. We be professor, na so dem dey use grammar cover our money. Sukuk loan here, AFDB support there. Debt don turn national hobby. My people, shine your eyes, get your PVC, vote right, defend your vote 2027, and say no to GMO.
If you no laugh, you go learn.